Hi guys. So here we are here in our office, in our workshop. We are going to do the cleaning. We're still not yet finished for the general cleaning. So I am here with my co-workers, Raju.
Hello, hi.
From Nepal, and Ram from Nepal, and to our styro master
From Nepal.
from Philippines, Ilonggo gid,
Not
Ilonggo.
Nepal, Bangladesh.
Where is
See?
Indonesia. Gali not here.
He is making the ano yan, flower styro. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Uy, where are they? Uy, where are they? This is our just finished yesterday.
Also there.
So, we are just only four to clean?
Yeah, for us.
Huh? Why like that?
I don't know. Julie want to come here.
Oh, and then?
But Bhisma said tomorrow. Barik said tomorrow. They don't want to come today.
Nah, then why we should come here? It should be tomorrow na lang, no? Alternate.
No problem. Jerry make flower, then we go home. Tomorrow we start.
No problem. No, we will just clean na lang the kwan.
What?
The AC. That's
Who
it.
said?
Boo said. You know, he
Yes.
said, you finished clean? Yes. Did you clean the AC? I said, no. There, you clean here, but then the AC not cleaning? Oh, and all the dust coming?
Okay,
see?
yes.
Diba? I told you many times na.
Many times?
Yes,
Only
and
one time
no,
you tell.
no.
No, you
I
lie.
tell. Hoy, I
Wala.
tell Julie.
Julie, okay, Julie, not me, okay. Why you say?
Yalla.
Bhisma coming or no?
I don't know. You ask. You ask first. Yalla.
Bhisma and Julie coming or no? Yalla. Julie finish, Jerry finish flower, we go direct home. No.
You know, I was thinking that we should do it, alternate because they were tired yesterday.
Today have too much work. This one need clean, all outside like that.
Oh.
Then Bhisma and Bari
Ay.
not come also suffering.
Why like that? So what we will do? We're only...
Tomorrow we will clean. When they are
Tomorrow no
here.
problem. We will clean.
Kaya lang sila pumunta
Can
dito
you
kasi
ask
may gagawin si Kuya.
Julie and Bhisma coming or no? Julie said coming. Bhisma where? I said Bhisma said also tomorrow like that. He doesn't want to come today. Hello, please guys. Subscribe and share.